In this video, we are going to see about working with fonts in Flint. In Flint, users can create their own customized font for the text to be displayed. For that, we have created a sample project named as Font Demo. Under the resource folder, we can find a default font file. Once click on it, we can see the font information like font type, font name, font size, and so on. In Flint, fonts can either be created using anti-aliasing of pre-installed system fonts, or can be imported from the set of images under resource folder. Let us see the anti-aliased font type to begin with. In anti-aliased font type, users can select the fonts available under the font name list. The preview area is updated with changes to give the user an idea of how the font will look on the device. Next is the font size, where we can set the approximate height of the font. And the font style property allows us to make the font italic or bold. In minimum width field, we can set the smallest width to be provided for each character irrespective of its actual width. And next, we can choose the type of characters to be exported under character set. It can be alphanumeric, numeric and custom. If it is alphanumeric, all the characters are available. If only the numbers are going to be used, numeric set can be chosen. Sometimes, only a few characters might be needed. In this case, users can select custom type and enter only the characters that are required, so that the user can save memory. In the preview section, we can view the changes that we have made to fonts. We can set the character values along with seeing their ASCII values. Now, save the changes. Go back to the screen and notice the changes in the fonts. If the font of user's choice is not available, install a new font as follows. Simply open up the browser and download the desired font. Let's say Roboto Bold. Now right-click on Font File and select Install for all users. Selecting Install option may not work as expected in all apps. We can now see the newly installed font is available under the font name list. Sometimes, application may demand using shaded or colored fonts that are created with image processing tools. Flint supports using these image-based fonts by selecting font type as from images. Here we have designed the font images in Photoshop and exported them in PNG format. To import the font images, we need to simply copy and paste the images into Images folder under the Resources folder. Now create a new font file by right-clicking on Fonts. Click on New, then click on Other. Select Sparklet Font option, then click on Next. Type the file name and click Finish. Now, click on New Flint font file. Select font type as from images. Click on Add. Set the character and select the desired font image that we have imported. Then click OK. Now the font image is added in the list and we can view it in the preview section. Similarly, we have added more font images in the list. Now, drag and drop the Labels widget into the design view. Select the font from the font list under Display Text option of Widget Properties. Type the characters in the text box that we have added to the font file and notice it shown in the view. And now let's export it and simulate. Watch our other tutorials to know more about the powerful features of Flint. Thank you.